This is a very interesting plant here because a year ago this plant suffered extreme frostbite and freezing cold wind, and you can see the edges of that cladode where it was completely frostbitten, to the point where that side was completely scarred. So instead of throwing it away, I just thought I'll let it heal and see what can happen. So as you can see, amazing new growth out of that cladode. So leaving it alone, that side is completely scarred, but the plant has survived, and in fact over the last 12 months has thrived. So sometimes when it's just a burn from frost, you can save it. Other times when the whole cladode rots, goes soft, then there's no chance. But in this one, it just got a one-night burn, and which scarred the plant completely. But out of that one night, we've now got all this fabulous new growth. So just shows how resilient epiphyllum hybrids are.